question 4 of our activity, and it is asking us to determine the total load of our roof system. So if we recap in question 1, so just a little quick recap. Question 1, we learned that our snow load is 22 pounds per square foot. In question 2, we learned that our roof, roof live load is 20 pounds per square foot. And then in question 3, we learned that our dead load of our roof was 25 pounds per square foot. Alright, so now what we're going to use is this slide here to figure out what our total roof system is. So you have 3 options of equations here. Okay? As I talked about in the lecture, that we in Chicago already nixed these. Okay? We don't have a very high wind load, and we don't really have an earthquake load. So we always use this equation in our area. It's obviously different when you go to other parts of the world. So we will use, let's write out the equations. So step A is dead load plus live load plus roof live load or snow load or rain load. Okay? So we use all of those numbers, and now we need to figure out which one of these we are going to use, because you use the largest of those 3. So we found out that our LR was 20. We found out that our snow load was 22. And we didn't calculate our rain load, but we sure do have snow is heavier, so you kind of automatically assume that. So we are going to say that our snow load is the greatest, so that is the load we will use in this equation. Okay. So now let's plug in our numbers. We found out our dead load is 25 plus, and our live load, so we actually don't have a live load because, as I said, there's nothing moving up on our roof. If you had a green roof where people would be coming and going, you would for sure have a roof live load. However, this is Palatine High School. No students, no one's going up there on a regular basis. So we do not, there's 0 live load, okay? And if that's different from the roof live load, because the roof live load is just taking into account like maintenance workers, okay? So that's where that difference is. All right, so then we add in our snow load. Oh, I wrote 24. I apologize. Our dead load is 25. And we get 47. Yes.
Deani Casterholm, please report to the form desk. Deani Casterholm, please report to the form desk.
All right, so our total roof load is 47 pounds per square foot. So every foot by foot piece, there's 47 pounds pushing